Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make a basic Lego boat. So now let's take it apart so I can show you how to build it. So now that I've taken it apart, let me show you the pieces you will need. So you'll need two 2x2 inverted pieces, and then two 2x3 pieces, one 2x4 piece, two 2x2 pieces, and three 1x2 pieces. So now, let's put this away so I can show you how to build it. First, you're gonna need two of your 2x3 slope, 2x3, and a 2x2 inverted slope. Then place a 2x3 piece here and then connect them together like that. And then put the two last of your red pieces like this. Then put your brown 1x2 like that. So that should be your small mast. Then put your 2x4, then a 1x2 and a 2x2, and then put a 2x2 on top. And there's your boat. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, and share with all your friends. I'll see you next time. Bye!